I'm Nara, Head of Partnership Growth in QArea. We help banking and fintech companies to create market disruptors and all-time user favorites. We focus on web applications and integrations, and use new tech like AI to modernize legacy systems and create elevated user experiences. Security is so important in banking that we often joke about testing before building. Our company offers quality engineering solutions for various fintech products. We provide all types of testing, but the exact selection depends on chosen testing strategy and certain project goals. Our team has thousands of successful cases, from creating mobile top banking apps to testing IoT environments and providing quality assurance for national banking systems. So let's have a coffee and chat about future-proofing fintech applications.